3, 4. Hey, 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 hey. Won't you come see about me? I'll be alone, dancing, you know it, baby. Tell me your troubles and doubts, giving me everything inside and out, yeah. Love's strange, so real in the dark. Think of the tender things that we were working on. Slow change may tear us apart when the light gets into your heart, baby. Don't you forget about me. Don't you forget about me. Hi, I'm Vasco and I'm about to show you how I'm playing Don't You Forget About Me by the band called Simple Minds. We're gonna do it in the original key on a high G string ukulele, so grab yours and let's learn this one. In the song we have basically 3 different parts. We start with the intro, which starts with the chord of D, and here to E major first, and after that we're doing it to E minor, so that's kind of interesting thing in the song. Don't be scared of this E, just bar it like me right here and avoid the A string. Actually, when I'm barring it like this, my finger naturally here mutes the A string if I don't lift it too much, and then I can hear the A string open. But if I don't lift it and just try to make it as simple as possible, I have a perfect E chord. So yeah, do it like that. And the D and E are splitting a bar, but the E comes on the off beat. So if you're counting it, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and on an up strum, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then D to E minor, again at the same place, we're changing the chord, and then C to D, again splitting a bar, and the D is coming a little bit earlier. So let's do the whole thing and count it a little bit slower than the original tempo. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 right? And then we start the verse. The strumming I'm doing here is something like 2 up strums like this with these 2 fingers, just and then 1 strong down. But this is just my interpretation of the strumming. Feel free to improvise your own strumming. If you like what I'm doing, just do it the same. Won't you come see about me? And here we have the chord of A, back to D. All right. Won't you come see about me? I'll be alone, dancing, you know it, baby. Tell me your troubles and giving me everything inside and out. Love's strange, so real in the dark. Think of the tender things that we were working on. Slow change may tear us apart when the light gets into your heart, baby. Here on the last line of the verse, I'm trying to strum a little bit more to lead us to the chorus, for which we're doing the same chords, but I'm strumming a little bit more intensively. And also there is this little thing. Listen to the details here. Okay, so what's that? I'm playing the E, and here da, 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 3 times the E string, 4th fret, and then grabbing the D chord, G string here, second fret, is the melody. Pa, 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 pow. Then A, 1 and 2, and again on the off beat here, we are adding the pinky here on the 4th fret of the A string. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and to D. And again on the off beat after 2, 1 and 2 and adding the pinky here on the 5th fret of the A string, right? So, don't you forget about me. Don't you forget about me. And also the first chorus actually ends with 2 times A instead of A to D. This is just the first chorus, which is leading after that to the bridge. And we start with the chord of C. Here the chords are longer, so 2 bars per chord. Will you stand above me? To G, look my way, never love me. D, rain keeps falling, rain keeps falling down. To A, down, down. And we're repeating this thing 2 times. Down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up. At least this is what I'm doing. Rain keeps falling down. And here we go to the interlude. Hey, 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 hey. Ooh, oh. Going to the second verse now. And basically these are the parts. Also after that we have one little break that is actually with the same chords as the verse, but we're playing it a little bit softer, and then for the last chorus we get it as loud as we can, of course. So we're always trying to have louder parts and quieter parts in the same song, because that makes the performance, the cover, way better, at least in my opinion. So if you'd like to follow this little rule of mine. And yeah, I think this is my tutorial for Don't You Forget About Me. It's really interesting here how we use E major and E minor in the same song. It will be helpful if you have the printable in front of you. That way you'll learn the whole thing faster. And thank you very much for watching, for subscribing and everything. I'm signing out.